Hey there, moneymakers! Want to learn how to make 45.78 every 10 minutes on autopilot? Learn to earn cash while you sleep using a free tool called Google Trends. I'll show you a simple way to make money online that works in every country. Stick around, and I'll guide you through each step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a passive income stream effortlessly. Let's go! Step 1. Visit Google Trends. Head over to Google Trends to discover the latest hot and viral topics from around the globe. Keep the Google Trends page open and then check out an AI tool called Kiddle.com. I'll guide you on how to use both Google Trends and Kiddle together to make 450 sellers every 10 minutes on autopilot. But before we get started, we need to establish a passive income system. Follow my steps to set up your system, and you'll soon be earning money every 10 minutes using Google Trends. Step 2. Use Kiddle Design Tool. Kiddle is a free online design tool powered by advanced AI, perfect for creating fantastic designs, templates, logos, icons, photos, illustrations, and mock-ups in seconds. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Kiddle's AI helps you generate vector logos, stunning images, and clip art with simple text prompts. Its user-friendly interface allows for advanced text editing with just a few clicks, and the magic recoloring tool lets you change design colors with one click. With thousands of ready-to-use templates for both personal and commercial use, Kiddle makes it easy to start. Register for free at Kiddle.com, log in, and explore your Kiddle dashboard, all without needing to download any software. Step 3. Find trending topics. Head back to the Google Trends page and click on the Explore button. This will direct you to the Explore section where you can investigate the trends for any topic you're interested in. Today, enter Father's Day into the search box and press Enter. Make sure to select the worldwide option to get a global perspective. On the Google Trends page, you'll see that the term Father's Day is expected to trend significantly in the coming days, as Father's Day is on June 16th. Google Trends data indicates that people around the world celebrate Father's Day every year by giving their fathers presents, treats, and other tokens of appreciation. A particularly popular item during this time is Father's Day themed t-shirts. This creates a lucrative opportunity for you to earn money by leveraging this trend. To take advantage of this, think about the various ways people celebrate Father's Day. Many opt to give gifts, host special dinners, or plan fun activities. Among the popular gifts are themed t-shirts, widely worn to honor fathers on their special day. By designing and selling unique Father's Day t-shirts, you can tap into this trending topic and attract buyers who are looking for the perfect gift for their dads. Once you've designed your t-shirts using the Kiddle tool, as detailed in the previous steps, you can market these designs effectively by leveraging the data from Google Trends. Create eye-catching designs that stand out and appeal to a wide audience. The more unique and appealing your designs are, the better they will sell. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Explore Trends. Return to Google Trends and click Explore. This will take you to a page where you can search for current trends. 2. Search for Father's Day. Type Father's Day into the search box and hit Enter. Make sure the worldwide option is selected to get a global view of the trend. 3. Analyze data. Observe how Father's Day is trending. Notice the spike in interest as the date approaches, indicating a growing demand for related items, especially gifts like themed t-shirts. 4. Create designs. Use the Kiddle tool to design Father's Day t-shirts. Focus on creating unique, appealing designs that stand out. 5. Market your products. Use the insights from Google Trends to understand what people are searching for and tailor your designs accordingly. Market these designs on platforms where your target audience is most active. 6. Maximize profits. By aligning your products with trending topics, you can maximize your profits. Eye-catching and relevant designs are more likely to attract buyers. As Father's Day approaches, use the data and trends to guide your design and marketing strategies. This will help you tap into the market effectively and make the most out of this trending opportunity. If you're finding this information useful and enjoying the content, don't forget to like this video. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make money online. Step 4. Design t-shirts on Kiddle. Return to Kiddle and type Father's Day in the search box, then press Enter. You'll see a wide variety of Father's Day t-shirt designs to choose from and edit. Pick a template, such as the Super Dad t-shirt design. This action will bring you to the project page. First, rename your design by clicking the Edit Title icon. You can give it any name you prefer, and the project will be saved to your account under the My Projects section. Next, click on the Settings icon and choose the inches option for the unit of measurement. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all elements of your design. Then, click on the background to select the artboard. Enter 12 inches for the width and 16 inches for the height, which is the ideal size for a t-shirt design. You can resize the text and position it in the center of your canvas. Use the Magic Color Palettes feature to change the colors of your design with just one click. Familiarize yourself with the shortcuts available at the bottom left corner of the project page. For example, the plus icon zooms in, the minus icon zooms out. Ctrl+A selects all elements, Ctrl+E copies, Ctrl+V pastes, and Ctrl+Z undoes the last action. Enhance your design by using the texture option on the left-hand side to add various textures. You can also use the Kittle AI feature to create stunning images effortlessly. Just type a simple text prompt and press enter. The AI will generate a beautiful image based on your input. Once you're satisfied with your design, select the mock-up option to see how it looks on a t-shirt. Adjust the design on the t-shirt as needed and download the mock-up. You can also change the t-shirt color to see how your design looks on different backgrounds. By following these steps, you can create professional and appealing Father's Day t-shirt designs with ease. Step 5. Sell on Etsy. Visit Etsy.com, a marketplace where you can sell various items such as t-shirts with your designs, cups and mugs, wall art, and more. Many people have made substantial earnings by listing their designs on Etsy. You can start posting your designs created with Kittle, just like them. To wrap up, we've walked through setting up a passive income system using Google Trends and the Kittle Design tool. By identifying trending topics like Father's Day, creating unique designs, and listing them on Etsy, you can capitalize on current trends to make money. Now, I have a question for you. What design ideas do you have for Father's Day? Comment below and share your thoughts. Remember to utilize the tools and tips provided to maximize your profits. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Profitability Plus, for more money-making strategies.